Start with surprising fact about crochet, like how it can be both a relaxing hobby and a way to crochet beautiful home decor. Hi, I'm Iresha. Join me as I challenge myself to make a beautiful table mat using easy crochet technique perfect for beginners. I give you useful 3 tips throughout the video. For this table mat, I use these 2 cones. Take these two together because of those are very thin. I need little bit thicker, and also I use my 3 millimeter crochet hook. And first I need 6 chains. 1, 2, 6 chain, and I go back to my first one and I make a little circle like this. And now I'm going to make, you can see, now I am going to make 3 double crochets, and I have 3 double crochets. Now I need 11 double crochets all over the round. Three chain plus 11 double crochets. Altogether I have 12 holes, and I'm going to the top of these 3 chain, and I'm going to make a slip stitch. Now I'm going to make my second row. I'm going to make 3 chain plus 2 chain and make a double crochet of the next chain, and again 2 chain, make a double crochet for next chain, and 2 chain, double crochet again next chain. Keep going until here. I am in the end of my second row. I am going to find, I have 2 chain here, and I'm going to find top of this 3 chain. I'm going to make a slip stitch at the top of third chain. You can see it. Okay, now I need 3 chain again, and I'm going to make another double crochet in same gap, same chain like this. And again 2 chain, I'm going to the next pole here, and I'm going to make 2 double crochets in the same place. 1, 2, same place. Okay, and again 2 chain, make a double crochet in the same place, 2 double crochets. 1, 2, and third row, keep going like this until here. Now I finish my third row. I did 2 chain and make a slip stitch in the top of this 3 chain. Okay, now my fourth row, I am going to make 3 chain, 2, 3, and I'm going to make a double crochet in the same place like before, and next I make a double crochet in the next chain, top of the previous double crochet. Now I have 3 double crochets in the same place. Before I have 2 double crochets, now I have 3. Again 2 chain and go into the next one, and I make first top of first double crochet. I'm going to make 2 double crochets in the same place. 1, 2, and third one, I'm going to the next chain, top of the double crochet, and make a double crochet top of it. You can see 3. Now before 2, now 3. Keep going. First one, Now I finish my 4th row, and I'm going to find my top of 3 chain and make a slip stitch again. Here, slip stitch again, and you can see like this. And I can give you another tip, and when you move to the other row, you need to check everywhere you have three double crochets and 2 chain. Oh, see, I didn't do the 2 chain here. See, before I go to the next row, I check just in case. It's always happened because we are human, we are doing some mistake. I didn't do 2 chain here. You need to check 3 double crochets and 2 chain in between. I have to go back and undo, because after I figure out the next row, it's too hard to do it again. And make a slip stitch. Okay, now I check again, no mistakes, and I move on to my next row. After next row, it's very simple, and we go to do 3 chain and make a double crochet in the same place as before, and make a double crochet in the next say the top of double crochet, and go to the next one and make another double crochet. And now I have 4 double crochets, 1 2 3 4, including 3 chain, and before 1 2 3 4, and again 2 chain, and go to the next one. I am going to make 2 double crochet in the same place. First chain, 1 2, and 1 for each. For each, and 2 double crochets, and go like this. You can see it's 1 2 3. I am in the end of my 5th row. I am going to find the top of 3 chain and make a slip stitch. Okay, now I'm going to 6th row. I am making 3 chain, and I am going to make a double crochet in the same chain, and I am follow the other chains, and I am doing double crochet for each chain. Now I have 5 double crochets, 1 2 3 4 5 double crochets and 2 chain. I am going to the next one and make a 2 double crochets for first chain. I increasing 1 chain every segments, and this double crochet I make 2 double crochets in the same thing, and this and I'm going, and I show it you my pattern, and can you see 1 2 3 4, and I increase 1 double crochet always, and every these parts, and make I have 7 here. If you want more, you can go 8 9 10 double crochets. If you want small one, you can stop here. I did few rows. Now I have 7 double crochets here. That's enough for me. To my 10th row, and I need 3 chain, and 1 2 3 chain, and I am going to make 7 double crochets again on top of these double crochets. 2 3 now I need to do 3 double crochets in this 2 chain gap, and I'm going to do 1 2 3, and I'm going to again this segment, and I am going to do 7 double crochets again. And carry on like this, 7 double crochets and 3 extra double crochets in this 2 chain gap. And when I finish my 10th row, I'm going to the row 11, and for this row 11 I need 3 chains, you can see, and I made another chain here. Oh, sorry. Second, I'm going to the second double crochet, third double crochet, third double crochet, and fourth double crochet. And I'm going to make 2 chain, and I'm come to the next chain here and make a double crochet again, 4 double crochets actually. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 2 double crochet and go to the next chain and make 4 double crochet each of these. And 4 double crochet, 2 chain, 4 double crochet, 2 chain, 4 double crochet. You keep going like this until end. And in the end of this row I have 4 double crochet, and I'm going to make 2 chain, 1, 2, and go to the top of 3 chain and make a slip stitch. My pattern is look like this now. You check your work before you go, and then you need to go to the one of these gap here, and I'm going to make slip stitch like this, and I'm come to this gap, 2 chain gap. Okay, now I make 3 chain and make a double crochet here. Okay, I have 2 double crochet, and now I need 2 chain and make a 2 double crochets in the same 2 chain gap like this. 1, 2. Okay, now I am going to the next 2 chain gap here, and I make 2 double actually I'm making shell here, 2 double crochet and 2 chain, 2 chain and 2 double crochet again. This is the shell. And keep going like this. Go to this gap and make a shell, again in those gaps. We are not doing anything for these 4 chains, and we are going to make a shell all the way down here. I finished this row. I am going to the top of 3 chain here, and I'm making a slip stitch, and I'm going to next one. I'm going to make a slip stitch. I'm come to this 2 chain gap now, and I'm going to the next one. I'm going to make a slip stitch, and I'm come to the 2 chain gap. And as before, I'm going to make a 3 chain and make a double crochet and make 2 chain, 1, 2, and make a double crochet here again, the same place, mid of our shell like this. And we are going to the next shell, 2 chain gap, and make a double crochet again, shell again. Shell mean 2 double crochet and 2 chain, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. and go next shell again and make a shell again. Keep going until here. Now I finish this row, and I'm going to find the top of 3 chain and make a slip stitch as usual, and I'm going to this gap and I'm making slip stitch, and I'm going to this gap. This time I am not making shell, I am going to fill it 1 2 3 chain, and I am going to make 4 double crochet in the same 2 chain gap. 1 2 2 3 4 4. Okay, all together with 3 chain I have 5, and I'm going to the next 2 chain gap. I'm making 5 double crochets. 1 5. This is my last row, and 5 double crochets each 2 chain gap, and keep going until you finish. And when I am here, I join with you. I'm finished my row now, and I find the top of 3 chain and make a slip stitch and cut my yarn. Can you see difference? This one is just finished. This one is my previous one. I already finished one, and I'm going to tell you my second tip. First I'm dip it in my starch mix. This is my first one. After dip it in the starch, it's like little bit stiff, steady and flat. It's my third tip. When I am after dipping my starch, I block, and after block it's look like this. If you don't know how to starch, please go and check my description box. I leave it the link. And if you don't know how to block these kind of things, and go and check my description box. I leave the link in the. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts and ideas, and check out my other videos for more fun crochet projects. Bye bye, see you again.